It's raining now in Montego Bay, but that has not daunted our spirits to be here on Jimmy Cliff Boulevard in Montego Bay with our tourism partners, our jerk vendors. Yes, and they are getting ready to start business. So let's take a look.
I'm very thankful for TEF and the TPD call for giving us the sanitizer bucket so we can, have something clean so when the people come we can have a properly wash our hands and, sanitize.
We're grateful right now for TPD Co and TEF for the support, the continuous support that they have been giving us through this COVID pandemic. They provide us with apron, they provide us with wash and kegs and stuff like those. We're really grateful because in times like these, health comes first and we're conscious of what's happening with the pandemic. So we really appreciate TPD Co and TEF right now for what they are doing for us right now with jerk chicken vendors and East Street Bottom Road, Jimmy Cliff Boulevard right now. We are really grateful for this right now.